This video will explain the process of how to create an account to apply for a position to work within this embassy, consulate, or mission. Working for us will give you a unique opportunity to work in a changing and diverse environment. There is also an applicant user guide on the embassy internet site for your reference. Before we get started, there are several things that you need to do. 1. Read the entire vacancy announcement. Do you have the required language, experience, education, and work status? If so, please continue. Do you have all the documents you'll need to complete the application? These are listed on the vacancy announcement. Now let's get started. You will find all the vacancies on the mission website. Please review the vacancy announcement carefully. If it looks good and you meet all the mandatory requirements, click the Apply button. The first time you apply for a position in this way, you'll be asked to set up an account. We do not accept emailed, faxed, or paper applications. This is the only way to apply for a position. Click the Create an Account button. You'll be directed to this screen. This is account creation. Please note that you are required to fill everything out that has a red asterisk next to it. So you enter in your first name, your last name, and whether or not you're a U.S. citizen. Then you'll be asked for your address, your city, country, state, postal code, telephone number, and email. Human Resources will only email or call you, so please make sure this information is correct. Next, you'll be asked to create a password. Your password must have at least 12 characters and must include at least one alphanumeric, one digit, one special character, and no spaces. The password will be valid for 60 days. If you try to log in after the 60 days, you'll be asked to create a new password. Then you'll be asked to confirm your password. Next, you'll be asked some secret or security questions. These are used if you can't remember your password. Answer each question in a way that you will remember. These questions are mandatory, so you must enter 3 required questions with responses. You must answer each question with a minimum of 5 characters and a maximum of 25 characters or letters. Then you click Next. Congratulations! You've created an account. Please write down your ID and the email address that you have used. If you make a mistake in creating your account, you will see a red square that will come up. It will tell you what you need to fix in order to create an account. When you've written down your ID and the email that you've used, click Done. You will be redirected back to the sign-in screen. Here, you will enter in your email or user ID that you've just received and your password. Then you click Log In. Then you will be able to search for jobs. Click on the Search for Jobs button on the right-hand side. You will be able to see all of the current vacancies at the mission. You will be able to click on the vacancies, read the vacancy announcements, and click on the Apply button. You must answer all of the questions that come up within the vacancy announcement, and you must upload documents to the application. If you choose not to upload the required documents, You may not meet the minimum qualifications and eligibility standards. You will also have the option within the vacancy to print the vacancy itself and email to a friend. You will be required to log in each time you apply for a new position. If you forget your password, you can click on the Forget User ID or Password button. You will be asked for your email address. Then you click Next. And your secret or security questions. These must be identical to the ones you used when you created the account. Please note that if you forget your email address, there is no way to retrieve your account information. You will have to create a new account. Once you've entered in your secret or security questions, you'll be asked to create a new password and to verify that new password. Once you have applied for the positions, you will see them listed on this screen. You will be contacted by email or phone if your application has moved forward to the next step in the recruitment process. Please do not contact Human Resources, and please remember that you must submit your application electronically. You are now ready to search for jobs, and we thank you for your interest in working for the U.S. Embassy, Consulate, or Mission.